Okay.
39.45.
Wrong second.
Winning show. 69. 43.
Yeah.
59. 23. 36. 34. 42. 3. 56. 65. 50.
What pool
41. 70. 52. 47. 16. 14. 61.
Come on, white ball.
28.
Wait.
The number 5.
No. Keep going.
It's a straight down. Next number out. 40.
Bingo!
Also bingo. 40.
I know.
Right here. Hello?
Right here.
Thank you. All right, win play show.
How much I love?
I got the 10 horse.
Got the whole ball too.
Congratulations. Winner received by her.
whole
Who's got the 40?
I do. Sweet. It's ridiculous. It's crazy. It's crazy.
22, 2, 10, 1, 0. $75, 75. 38, 38, 63, 63, 36, 36, 24, 24, 26, 26, 57.
Bingo!
Possible bingo. 57 on straight.
Congratulations. I was looking, I was like, what's next? It's the whole 12 down road. Did you notice that?
All right, let's look at that video. 57, that's what we're calling. Anybody else? Anybody else? There you go, other videos. This game is closed. The winner receiving $1,500.
Settle down.
All right, we continue on, ladies and gentlemen, with the 37 race. Once again, that horse does go to sideways, extension, backwards, and frontwards. Your next number out is 56. To the victory board, back at it.
11, 1-1.
32.
37. 37. 34. 34. 27. 27. 12. 22. 26. 26. 39. 39.
Big Daddy?
66. 66.
Big Daddy?
And 1 0. 9. The number 9.
Right here.
60.
Mexican dumpster.
60. 70. 70. 55.
Bingo!
Bingo on 55.
Big Daddy. Big Daddy.
Tori!
Nice work.
Tori!
96.
No way. Not one number.
Lightning video.
Yes, the number.
That's crazy. One number.
36.
What?
26.
She had all 2 cards, not
32.
one number card.
55 left. And 17. That is one deferred to be.
$11.99.
All of the left. Are there any others? Are there any others? If not, game is closed with one winner. Play that lovely lady $1,199.
$1,199.
I'm just gonna tell myself I something.
All right, quick hits. We got 1923. There we go. We got 1924. Last number call. 23. That is one good quick hit. Next year, looking for 24 hold. If you got the 24
Oh, that's me.
hold, you're also a winner. All right.
That's me.
42.
We have my bag.
42. 29. 29. 17. Bingo on 17.
What color she got? Oh, what color she got? Pink.
Let me verify hers and I'll come right back. Look, you got it.
23.
23? Yeah.
Check. 10, 20, we've got 12, last 12, 17, last 35, 48. That's one with dollar portion for $500. Who's got that split?
Bingo!
I was just right here. Why didn't you let me know?